Just in two sentences, first, technically the offset is not for the joint production, so there is no question of company having that type of experience, which no company in the private sector is having. And Congress in its press release has also said that the address in the Reliance was of the Pipavav. Pipavav was a company which was taken over by Reliance. So in a matter like if Tata taken over Land Rover, the entire competence of Land Rover comes to Tata. And finally, I would like to say whatever efforts Congress and Rahul Gandhi wants to make, they are unable to stick because public know their integrity. You know a famous phrase in Hindi, chor machaye shor. This can be the final consequential sum of a sentence which the Congress is trying to play, but the people of India is wise enough to understand what the reality is.